Alright, quiz 6 solutions for Math 60. Let's see, we're in the first problem. We have a triangle, given the area, given the base, asked to find its height. So the first thing you need to know is the formula for the area of a triangle, and that is the area is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. And then you look up here and you're like, okay, the area is 25. So instead of writing A, I can write 25. Let's see, the base is 10. So instead of writing B, I can write 10. And what is the height? I'll just leave this as H, and that'll be the thing that I solve for. And a few different ways to solve this. The easiest for me is to be like, okay, 1/2 times 10 is 5. Maybe 1/2 times 10 over 1 is 10 over 2, which is 5. So what I get is 25 equals 5H, or if I divide both sides by 5, I get H equals 25 divided by 5, which is just 5. And so 5 right here is the height of this triangle. If you're not sure if you did it right, you can plug it back in up top here. It'd be like 1/2 times the base is 10 times the height is 5. 1/2 times 10 times 5 is 1/2 times 50, which in fact is 25. See, the second problem is this L-shaped problem, similar to a homework problem. I think the best way to do this is to make this into 2 rectangles. So we kind of have, one right there. I mean, that's almost a rectangle. Anyways, and then we kind of have another one over here in red. It's very hard to make a rectangle online. And then what I would do is find the area of the green rectangle and then the area of the red rectangle, and then you'd have your answer. So let's see, maybe we do the green one first. We know it's going to be the length times the width. We know that one side is 9 here, so what we need is the length of this side right here. Unfortunately, we can get to that. We know the whole bottom here is 10, and 6 of it takes up this red part. So that means 4 of it has to be the top and the bottom there. So 9 times 4 tells us that the area here is 36. And then for the red rectangle, we can do something similar. Let's see, I guess in this one we're given all the information. We know this is 6 and this is 2, and 2 times 6 is 12. So what we get is that the area is equal to, the area of the whole thing is the area of the green plus the area of the red. 36 plus 12 is 48. And that right there is your answer. Maybe it should be 48 centimeters squared, but again, I'm not too worried about units, so I'm happy with just this right here. But if you added units, more power to you. That's the end of the quiz.